Just let it
Hey, yo,
slip.
turn the beat up a little bit.
Ayo, turn the beat up.
Hey, yo.
Ayo,
This
Eminem.
song is for anyone.
This song is for anyone.
Fuck it.
This song is for
Shut up
anyone.
and listen.
Shut up and listen.
Hey, yo.
Yeah. I sit back with this pack on the sixes, this back and this weight, it gives me the shit needed to be. The most menace is empty handles on this earth, and this is birth, and this curse, and this curse, and this curse. This birth, dirt, and circ, I'm sorry, this work, and this cells, and the health, and the self, the relief. With this tension, this facing, and this sentence, this and the stress, and the anything being yourself, I open this is stress, and the rest again peacefully. But at the days, but at least have a decency, and you know you leave me alone when you fixing me out in the street when I'm eating and or feeding my daughter. Do not come and speak to me. I don't know, you don't know, and I don't know who be a motherfucking thing. I'm not Mr. Ansing, I'm not what your friends think, I'm not Mr. Friendly. Can't be in a break if you tempt me, I'm attacked and it's empty. You know, patience is me, and if you offend me, I'm letting the tent get in the air. I don't care who was there, who was soldiers and just and yo you. Go call you a lawyer, file you a lawsuit, and smile in the courtroom and buy you a wardrobe and tell over all you and of you and don't need to be mean, but all I can be is just me. And I am whatever you say I am. If I my shit, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. Wait, you want me to play my jam? Cause I am whatever you say I am. If I my shit, then why would you say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am.